Question number 2 in problem set number 1. In triangle ABC, BDC and BD is equal to 7, BC is equal to 20, then find following ratios. पहिला रेशियोज ट्रायंगलचा एरियाचा आहे. पहिला एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीडी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एडीसी. दुसरा फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीडी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी. आणि तिसरा फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एडीसी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी. इथे काय दिलेलं आहे, इथे दिलं बीडी इज इक्वल टू 7 and BC is equal to 20. मग पहिल्यांदा DC काढून घेऊ. So therefore we have DC is equal to DC काढलेला आहे. DC is equal to BC minus BD. So DC is equal to what is BC? It is 20 minus 7. So therefore DC is equal to 30. ही व्हॅल्यूज आपण फाइंड आउट केले 30. So like मग पहिला रेशो काढायचा होता. पहिला बघू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADC. इथे सिमिलर ट्रायंगल वगैरे काही दिले नाही, म्हणजे रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगलची प्रॉपर्टी वापरायची नाही आहे. बरोबर. मग इथे काय वापरू, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेशियोज ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल दॅट इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ द करस्पॉन्डिंग प्रोडक्ट ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग बेसिस अँड हाईट. ठीक आहे. मग इथे बघू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD अँड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADC. हे दोन ट्रायंगल. ही जी एडी आहे इट इज द हाईट. So both the triangles have the same height, equal heights. So therefore the ratio of these two triangles, areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. That is equal to. So base of triangle ABD it is to be BD. So this is BD upon base of triangle ADC that is a DC. Reason triangles with equal height, with equal height. Substituting the values. So what is BD? BD is to be 7. What is DC? That we determine it is a 30. So therefore area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC is equal to 7 upon 30. सेकंड घेऊ याच्यामधलं एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD upon area of triangle ABC. So that is equal to area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ABC. They have a common height, equal height. So they have equal height. So therefore ratio of their areas of the triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. In triangle ABD, what is base? That is a BD. What is base here? That is a BC. Substituting the values, what is BD? It is to be 7. What is BC? It is to be 20. Is all the same. And similarly, third one is that area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle ABC. इथे सुद्धा रिझन तुम्ही ट्रायंगल्स विथ इक्वल हाईट, ट्रायंगल्स विथ इक्वल हाईट. देऊ शकतो आपण, इक्वल आहे. इथे सुद्धा ए, डी आणि सी आणि नंतर ए, बी, सी. इथे काय झालं? सो हिअर इज ऑल्सो ह्याव ए इक्वल आहे. सो देअरफॉर base of this triangle it is DC and base of this triangle it is a BC. So DC it is 13 and BC it is to be 20. The reason देऊन द्याल triangles with equal आहे, triangles with equal आहे. इथे लक्षात घ्यायचं आहे with equal heights. इथे काय लक्षात घ्यायचं, कोणता फॉर्म्युला वापरतो आपण? ratios of areas of two triangles having a equal heights, then the ratio of these areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. म्हणून इथे आपण area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC याचा बेस घेतला BD, याचा बेस घेतला DC आणि व्हॅल्यूज पुट अप केली. मग एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD आणि एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC इथे याचा बेस घेतो, दॅट इज BD अपॉन BC याचं उत्तर आलं. इथे सुद्धा त्याप्रमाणे याचा बेस DC आणि याचा बेस BC, त्याची 13/20. अशा पद्धतीनं आपण काय केलं, हे प्रश्न क्रमांक दुसरा प्रॉब्लेम सेट 1 मधला सोडू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 in problem set number 1. So question number 3. So now see here question number 3. Ratios of areas of two triangles. Ratios of areas of two triangles with equal heights is to 3. काय दिला? Ratios of areas of two triangles म्हणजे एरियाचे रेशो किती दिले? 2:3. If basis of the smaller triangle is 6 centimeter, लहान ट्रायंगलचा बेस 6 सेंटीमीटर, then what is the corresponding base of the bigger triangle? बिगर ट्रायंगलचा बेस आपल्याला काढायचा आहे. मग आता कन्सिडर करतोय तो कन्सिडर A1 and A2 be the areas of two triangles. Areas of two triangles. झालं, आपण कन्सिडर करा A1 A2 येतो triangle such that A1 is less than A2 and B1 and B2 be the corresponding bases, corresponding basis of the triangle. Corresponding basis of the triangle. आता आपण कन्सिडर केलं ॲज पर गिवन काय दिलं? रेशिओ ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल. व्हॉट इज एरियाज काय येतात? A1 आणि A2. सो इथे सोल्युशन घ्या. सो देअरफॉर ॲज पर गिवन A1 अपॉन A2 is equal to what is corresponding basis B1 upon B2. So now therefore what is A1 upon A2? It is given to be 2:3, that is 2 upon 3. If base of the smaller triangle is 6, so here 6 and upon B2. Therefore cross multiply केला, therefore B2 is equal to 3 into 6 upon 2. Therefore B2 is equal to 18 upon 2. Therefore B2 is equal to 9 centimeter. Hence the base of the bigger triangle, the base of a bigger triangle is how much? Is 9 centimeter. This is number third. Question number third. Number 4. In figure 1.73, angle ABC is equal to angle DCB, that is equal to 90 degree. If AB is equal to 6, DC is equal to 8, then find the ratio of area of triangle ABC to ratio area of triangle DCB. हे आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. आता बघ, इन ट्रायंगल ABC, हाइट इज AB, बेस इज BC. Similarly, in triangle DCB, height is DC, base is BC. It means that here the triangles have the common base and different heights. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB. These two triangles have the common base. Therefore, their ratio of area will be the ratio of their corresponding heights. So, height of triangle ABC, it is AB. Height of triangle DCB, that is DC. Now substituting the values, here is AB is 6, DC is 8, that is 2 3 6 8. So therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is equal to 3:4. So now see question number 6. 5. In figure 1.74, PM is equal to 10. Area of triangle PQS, it is given to be 100. Area of triangle QRS given to be 110 square centimeter. To find NR. If you observe the figure here, that in triangle PQS have the height PM, base is QS. Base is QS. I am repeating here, base is QS. Now, in triangle QRS, height is NR, but base is QS. It means that in these two triangles, in this triangle, what is common? Base is common. So we know that when the triangles have the common base, then their areas of the ratios is equal to their corresponding heights. So now solution. Therefore, area of triangle PQS upon area of triangle QRS is equal to, what is common? Base is common. So what is the height of this triangle? It is QPM. Sorry, it is a PM. Height is PM. Here is height NR. Triangles with common base. Triangles with common base. Now, substituting the values here, area of triangle PQS, it is 100. Area of triangle QRS, it is 110, is equal to, PM is 10, NR to determine. तुम्ही कसं सिम्प्लिफाय करता ते तुम्ही बघा. हा 0 गेला, हा 0. सो देअरफॉर हिअर 1/11 इज इक्वल टू 1/NR. हा 0, हा 0, हा 0, हा 0. So 1 into 11, 11 NR. So therefore NR is equal to 11 centimeter. Therefore the value of NR is 11 centimeter. It is to be 11 centimeter. Number 6. Triangle MNT, similar triangle QRS. Length of altitude drawn from point T is 5 and length of altitude drawn from point S is 9. Find the ratio of area of triangle MNT to area of triangle QRS. काय गिवन दिलेलं आहे? MNT is similar to triangle QRS. TL perpendicular to TL, the perpendicular drawn, altitude drawn from T, intercept side ML in point L. So TL is a altitude. It is given to be 5. And SP, it is another altitude. It is 9. So to determine the ratio of the solution, triangles are now here solution, here triangle MNT is similar to triangle QRS. It is to be QR. Therefore, area of triangle MNT, property लक्षात ठेवा, MNT upon area of triangle QRS. Remember here that when the triangles are provided similar, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. We know this, but it also equal to the square of the ratio of their altitude also. Remember that. Not only the square of the sides of a triangle, corresponding sides of a triangle, but it also the ratio of the square of the corresponding altitude of a triangle. म्हणजे साईडच्याच बाजूचा वर्ग नसताना तो काय असेल, त्याच्या अल्टिट्यूडच्या स्क्वेअर एवढा सुद्धा असतो. देअरफॉर दॅट इज TL स्क्वेअर अपॉन SP स्क्वेअर. सो देअरफॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल MNT upon area of triangle QRS is equal to, substituting the value, what is TL, that is 5 square upon what is this, 9 square. So therefore area of triangle MNT is upon area of triangle QRS is equal to 25/81. इथे तुम्ही एक प्रॉपर्टी लक्षात द्या. The ratio of the square of the area of a triangle of the area of a similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the squares of the squares of the corresponding altitude. Corresponding altitude. This is the property, another property of a area of the similar triangle. Ratio of the areas of similar triangle. Not only the ratio of the squares of the side, but also that the ratio of the altitude of the square of the altitude of a triangle. So now here your sixth question is what? Now 7 numbers of problem babu. Question number 7. Question number 7. We see here that what is question number 7. Question number 7. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to AB. So therefore by BPT what we have? AD upon DC is equal to BE upon EC. This is BPT. In triangle ABC, what is DE parallel to AB? Therefore we have AD upon DC is equal to BE upon EC. इथे बघा असं एक उदाहरण आपण थेरम प्रूव्ह केला. L is a line intersect AB and AC in point P and Q and L is parallel to BC. मग काय घेत होतो आपण? AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Similarly इथे जायचं आहे, याला आपण BPT असं म्हणतो. मग substituting the values. What is AD? It is 5. What is BC? DC, that is a 3. So now is equal to what is BE? It is X. What is CE? That is 6.4 minus X. So now multiply, cross multiply 5 into 6.4 minus X is equal to 3X. Therefore we have याचा मल्टिप्लाय केला तर 32 येईल मायनस 5x इज इक्वल टू 3x. मग याला सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं, काय होईल? हे 5x इकडे जाईल, मग होईल 3x प्लस 5x इज इक्वल टू 32. Therefore 8x is equal to 32. Therefore x is equal to 32 upon 8. Therefore x is equal to 4. But what is x? Therefore x is a BE. Therefore BE is equal to 4. Therefore the value of BE, the value of BE is 4. Is a 4. So now here your problem set 1 point. Problem set 1 is what? हे रिकाम्या जागा राहिल्या, हे रिकाम्या जागा घरी सोडून बघा. Question number 7. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to AB. So therefore by BPT what we have? AD upon DC is equal to BE upon EC. This is BPT. In triangle ABC, what is DE parallel to AB? Therefore we have AD upon DC is equal to BE upon EC. इथे बघा असं एक उदाहरण आपण थेरम प्रूव्ह केला. L is a line intersect AB and AC in point P and Q and L is parallel to BC. मग काय घेत होतो आपण? AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Similarly इथे जायचं आहे, याला आपण BPT असं म्हणतो. मग substituting the values. What is AD? It is 5. What is BC? DC, that is a 3. So now is equal to what is BE? It is X. What is CE? That is 6.4 minus X. So now multiplying, cross multiply 5 into 6.4 minus x is equal to 3x. Therefore we have याचा मल्टिप्लाय केला तर 32 येईल मायनस 5x इज इक्वल टू 3x. मग याला सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं, काय होईल, हे 5x इकडे जाईल, मग होईल 3x प्लस 5x इज इक्वल टू 32. Therefore 8x is equal to 32. Therefore x is equal to 32 upon 8. Therefore x is equal to 4. But what is x? Therefore x is a BE. Therefore BE is equal to 4. Therefore the value of BE, the value of BE is 4. Is a 4. So now here your problem set 1 point. Problem set 1 is वर हे रिकाम्या जागा राहिल्या, हे रिकाम्या जागा घरी सोडून बघा.